So guys, I'm still at Sidecutt right now. I'm at the Sidecutt canals. Got these waterfalls. Fast moving waters. Goes all the way through here. And there's some more up here. So I'm gonna go up the stairs. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Pretty cool. This is in Maumee, Ohio. The Sidecutt canals. Is there any more, Mom? Oh, I just slipped.
That way. I think you can come back around that way.
You can.
We'll go around and come down that way.
So if you ever want to visit this place, it's pretty cool. Got some nice trails. Fishing wise, pretty good. I've never caught a fish here, but it's got good fish. The fishing is good here, but I've never actually caught a fish here because I got my lure snagged in a tree. And it's got these little bridges to walk over with the little water. And we're gonna go back up. I didn't know that these things were so long. These canals back through here. I thought it was, I've never been back here, so I thought it was just like a short little canal. Yeah. I like this side.
Yeah. You just not really go on this side because they don't have a playground.
Yeah. Do, 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 do. Jeez, this is a walk uphill. What's up here? Oh my gosh, Mom! I knew that. It goes into the Maumee River, right there. I forgot. I thought it was just like sewage water. I don't know why I thought that. I knew it was the Maumee River, but I wasn't sure. What the heck is that? The sun's in my eyes, guys. What if you can see it? Tell me what it is. What is that, a tennis court? Yeah. You can see it goes down through there. You might not be able to see, but
We're gonna go there.
yeah. So you guys will be able to see that's where we're going next. We're about to go over the bridge right there. Sidecutt's big. I never walked around like this far in Sidecutt. Swan Creek I've walked around a lot, like when me and Dad went on that bike ride for like 5 miles there or something. Well, the water's frozen. Oh. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. What? This is like a bird watching place right here. Let's see the kind of birds. I thought those are ducks. Mallard, okay. White crowned sparrow, blue jay, house sparrow, hummingbird, mourning. There's doves, cardinal. I'm not going to read them all. I'll let you guys read. It's good for you. Isn't that cool? Hey guys, there's a stink bug. It's actually pretty warm in here. Yeah, I'm trying to. What are those? Robins? Those are house finch. House finch. What are they?
Finch.
Yeah, I think so.
Or some sort of finch. Those are typical birds. But there's something over there on that yellow one that's different. See it? Those ones? And the yellow bird feeder?
Yeah, I don't know what
They're
it
more
is.
reddish.
Reddish on the stomach. Mom, those might be the house flinch, because look at, Mom. The house flinch have a little bit of red.
Oh, look at that one in the tree. There's one up in the tree that's black with a red head.
Black with a red head.
They keep flying away.
I'm going to say black with a red head. Black with a red head. None of these are black with a red head.
Mom, people haven't studied it yet.
It might be a woodpecker. I think it was like a type of woodpecker.
Why do they keep flying away?
Oh, look at that. Yep, that's a woodpecker. That's a woodpecker, guys. He's up in that bird feeder right there. Look at that. That's cool. He's like pecking at the bird feeder. I'm glad I turned on the camera. I wish I could edit my videos though, like join them together. But I'll just have to make part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4.
Yeah.
Those are. What is that? A plane? This is like a cool little house. I like the windows. Oh, we're not leaving? Purple flinch. Yeah, that's what I was talking about, the house flinch with the...
Actually, I think that one's the downy woodpecker.
Yeah, it was the down... Because it was the black with the white. It was the downy woodpecker.
I think these are sparrows. The ones out there.
What was the other
That's
woodpecker?
the sparrows.
Where was the other woodpecker?
There's a downy and a red-bellied. It was this one.
Yeah, it was the downy. Red-tailed hawk. Is there eagles? There's got to... Maybe just not right here. Maybe just not right here.
Canada
Three
goose.
different types of hawks.
Canada goose.
A Cooper's hawk. Canada goose.
Let's see if there's more of these.
I wonder if that's a bat box thing.
What?
Oh, it might be.
That box right there, I wonder if that's what the
On that
bat-
tree?
Yeah.
What is it?
Might be.
I don't know, I think.
Then why wouldn't the bat be up there? Oh yeah, because the bat's not a bird, it's a
For
mammal.
what?
Well, yeah, and they only come out at night. It might not be, it might be a bird feeder. There's bird feeders on those trees.
Yeah.
This is cool.
So guys, that was a cool, nice little stop right there. Saw a few different kinds of birds. And now we're going to walk over some more water, I think. Yep. Some frozen water. Yep.
Look at down there. I want to see that.
I'm too small, I can't reach.
See that little stick?
No, you do not know.
Let's do it. Try.
Searching for
Oh
Pokemon.
my god, you think?
Yep, they're searching for Pokemon. I'm gonna say, did you find them?
No.
Yeah, that's totally what they're doing.
So weird. I've never actually seen people do
Yeah, we did. Remember in Myrtle Beach when we were
it.
downtown?
Oh,
So guys, those are some Pokemoners.
yeah.
Huh? Oh wow. I want a house like that.
That's back the way we came way.
Let's go this way. But we already went that way.
That way. This way goes around more.
These long videos that I've been making are gonna take so long to upload. They take like an hour.
Should you like stop this one and then start a new one? Maybe?
Yeah,
Do segments?
yeah. But I can't join my videos together. But I can do like part 1, part 2.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna end this video. I'll turn the camera back on when we get to something cool. And peace.